Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make lollipops at home easy only ways. Preheat a heavy saucepan, combine sugar, corn syrup, and water, then boil to hard crack stage at 300 degrees F while stirring occasionally. Remove from heat, add flavoring and color, pour onto a silicone mat, press in sticks, and let cool fully before packaging. I'll share safety tips, flavor tricks, and storage ideas so you get perfect, glossy lollipops every time. Start by measuring 2 cups sugar, 2/3 cup corn syrup, and 1/2 cup water into a heavy saucepan. Heat slowly to dissolve sugar, then up the heat to reach 300 degrees F for hard crack. Use a candy thermometer and a wet pastry brush to wash down crystals. Remove from heat just before amber, stir in 1 teaspoon flavor and food color, then pour and set sticks. I'll walk you through timing, flavors, and fixes. Keep a bowl of ice water nearby for quick thermometer checks and pot drips. Avoid stirring once mixture reaches boiling to prevent crystallization, but brush down sides early. Work quickly when pouring, because syrup hardens within seconds. Use silicone molds for neat shapes. If sugar crystals form, restart with a clean pan. I'll explain cooling times, wrapping options, and how to rescue slightly grainy batches so your lollipops look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.